guys, we have Seth Feider's boat here in the shop. We only have 5 hours to complete what we need to get done on it. So we are going to be taking off this pad, that pad, this pad, and then the entire cockpit. We are going to be replacing it with Aquatraction. We are going to be putting in some various different logos and then get this boat completely done. So I'm going to jump in here, get it scanned, and then I'll start catting it, and then we'll start gutting out all of these factory pads. Alright guys, it doesn't look like much, but we have the whole cockpit scanned. So what I'm going to be doing is scanning the rest of the boat while the guys start gutting out everything. So we're going to do the cockpit, that step, the rod locker, and then this back area, and then we're going to leave all the kick pads and the other stuff alone. Alright guys, we got the boat pretty much all gutted. We're going to clean up this glue residue in the cockpit here. Just got it scanned and we're waiting on approval right now. Alright, so we had our original file. I cleaned this one up. We aligned it. Logos took a while. We got the Intune Marine logo, Boss, Omnia, Rapala, Sims, Daiwa, and Vexus. And then we have Apex waterfowling. At the bottom, we're going to go with our signature charcoal gray and black. Alright, so we just got the first sheet going. This is what we're cutting out. So this is the main cockpit with the Vexus logo, and then we have a Daiwa logo as well. We went with the topographic pattern. This is one of my favorite patterns. So it's just going to machine everything out, switch some tools, and then finish up cutting these 3 sheets. Okay, guys, we just got our last sheet cut. So we're going to start throwing this in the boat. Alright guys, we met the deadline. We got everything stripped out.